observation.
In this modern day time that we're living in, everything is so fast paced, isn't it? We want everything now. And as parents and carers, we so lovingly want our children to achieve so much more that we want to see them crawl, sit, stand sooner, you know, and all those things in a loving way. But if we just allow our babies to stretch out their backs, lie on the floor and kick their legs, and just, we have the phrase wait, watch and wonder, and just not feel pressured to constantly do for your babies and let them do it for themselves.
Yeah, it takes a kind of shift of some attitude, really, in us. It's beginning to see babies with new eyes, to know that they are these competent, curious, and they have their own timing. And it's not something that they, you know, intellectually work out, but their bodies are, I say, sprung loaded to move. And they will go through this archetypal progression of movement. In most cases, if we just step back and allow them to do that. And that's exciting for for parents and carers to watch. And of course, it makes for much happier babies, because they're doing what they need to do. You know, there's nothing more uncomfortable than needing to move from deep inside. This is what I see, and not being able to do that because they've been put in bamboo seats and exosources and all these other things, which actually do no good at all for this natural development, and really just get in the way. Yeah. So my advice is just to get rid of those things and allow the babies, as you say, Steph, to be on the floor and to start on their backs and to go through the natural mode of progression.